I signed up for cell biology because it is required for my major, but it's also an area of biology that I'm most interested in researching in my future. I've really been looking forward to finally being able to take these upper level science classes like cell because I've been taking the prerequisites for them for the past 2.5 years. This class will help me after graduation because I will have an in-depth knowledge of how cell biology research is conducted, which is what I want to pursue in the future. I took physics in the lab only because it's required for my major. I would definitely not be taking these courses if they weren't required. Not only do I find it not useful, I don't find it interesting at all. I honestly don't care how long it takes for a penny to fall off the top of a building or how much force is necessary to move a box 4 meters. I can't honestly say how this will help me after graduation. I guess it's good to have a basic physics background, but I can't see myself ever using the knowledge I learn in this course. I took my anthropology course for my environment minor. I had a bunch of courses I could choose from, and I chose this one because it was in the biological anthropology department. I've taken a few courses in this department before, and I find them really enjoyable because they expose me to an entirely different area of science outside of the nitty-gritty details and experiments that are present in my molecular biology classes. Biological anthropology is more about human evolution, and I think it's fascinating to see how we've evolved and why. This course won't be inherently useful to me after graduation, but I think the subject matter will just make me a more informed person about our species and mankind in general. It's hard for me to answer the last question posed because I won't be looking for a job right after graduation. I plan on applying to graduate schools and getting my doctorate instead, so it'll be another 8 years from now for when I'm actually looking for a job. But for this, I think cell biology is preparing me quite well for graduate school because we often have to design our own experiments to prove a theory. I think it's doing a good job preparing me so far. More hands-on experience in cell biology in a lab would be ideal, but I'm not taking the cell and molecular biology lab this semester. But I think that my research in my lab outside is also preparing me well.